Hi, Ryu here. I'm a UX designer and also a founder of RealWorldUX. When I go to UX online forums such as Reddit, I see a lot of people asking questions about how to start your own UX project. I answer to those questions in the forum too, but today I wanted to cover this topic: how to start your own UX project. Okay, let's dive in. So, UX is something that is hard to learn if you don't actually do it. You can only learn effectively by doing. That's the best way to learn. Which framework to use is less important. The most important thing is how you actually work through your project and solve a user's problem through a user-centered design practice. Okay, with that in mind, let's take a look at the process framework. Number 1. Problem statement. Number 2. Competitive benchmarking. Number 3. Concept development. Number 4. User test. Number 5. Design iteration. It's simple enough, right? Okay, let's take a closer look at each step. Step 1. Problem statement. This is where you define what problem that you are trying to solve in your UX project. Find a UX problem and define it clearly. It might be easier if you pick something that you use on a regular basis, whether it's a mobile app, a web application, a software program, or an electronics device, etc. Step 2. Competitive benchmarking. Find example products that tackle similar problem that you are trying to solve. Analyze pros and cons so that you can learn from those. This is a great research opportunity to look for how people are tackling similar problems and coming up with solutions. If you cannot find an exact match, that is totally fine, as long as it has some similarities to your project so that you can learn from it. That's fine. Step 3. Concept development. This is where you come up with UX concepts to solve the problem in form of task flows, wireframes, and prototypes. Step 4. User test. Once you are done with creating your UX concepts in form of task flows, wireframes, and prototypes, it's time to put your concept in front of your users. Find 5 target users and conduct user test sessions. Put your concept prototype in front of them and find what works and what doesn't. Summarize all the findings. Step 5. Design iteration. This is where you iterate your design by incorporating findings from the user test. If you want to learn more about working on your mock project to great details, check out RealWorldUX Basic Course and Basic Light Course from the link below. Okay, that's it for today. Thank you very much for watching. If you like it, please click like and subscribe. Feel free to leave comments, requests, and suggestions. Okay, I'll see you in the next video.